Welcome to Wander Engineer. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting, we've got fantastic tips to make your adventures more enjoyable and stress-free. Here are 6 essential travel hacks to make your journey smoother and more efficient. First, use packing cubes to save space and keep your belongings organized. They make packing and unpacking a breeze. Second, roll your clothes instead of folding. This maximizes your luggage capacity and keeps outfits neat. Third, carry a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and keeps you hydrated. Fourth, download offline maps before you travel. Navigate without internet access. Fifth, keep digital copies of important documents. This provides a backup in case you lose the originals. Finally, use a money belt to keep your valuables safe. It's a discreet way to carry essentials. Happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with wonderful experiences.